Guys, I got this dresser for 20 bucks off of Facebook Marketplace, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what I did to it in hopes of flipping it to make a couple dollars. Before I begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and if you enjoy the video, please give it a like and comment down below what you think about the transformation of this dresser. Let me know how I did. So let me tell you a little bit on the backstory of this dresser. I found this dresser one day on Facebook Marketplace, like I said. I went and got it about 10 minutes from my work on my lunch break for a total of $20. My plan from the beginning was to sand it down, give it a nice paint job, new handles since the hardware was broken and a couple pieces were missing from it, and then seal it. Later that upcoming weekend, I had it hauled down to the basement where I began to start working on it. And as you can see from the video right here, I'm pretty ashamed to show this on camera, but I'm going to show you anyways. I started collecting quite a few pieces of furniture in hopes of flipping them all for a profit. I have sold one piece so far. I sold a nightstand, and I ended up painting and giving away a dresser, a really nice one, to my sister who is in college. This dresser that I am showing you guys in this video today is the third or fourth piece of furniture that I've done so far. My original plans for this dresser was to paint it all white, but because I had to fill in all the old holes where the existing hardware was, I had to do quite a bit of wood putty filling, so the white that I used was not covering that putty color. So I ended up using a white primer sealer in one. The brand is Kilz, K-I-L-Z. I did about 5 or 6 coats on the whole dresser, including the drawers as well. I decided that I wanted to go in a different direction and hide a little bit more of the color from the wood putty. So I ended up using a product called Beyond Paint. It's their blue-gray color, and it's a primer, paint, and sealer all in one. It does not require any sanding, but that's alright. You should sand and prime your furniture before painting. That way you know it'll last for years to come. Going back to the blue paint that I used, I ended up using only 2 coats for the dresser and the drawers. I kind of wanted to just experiment and see what the 2 coats would look like. I didn't want to go full overboard and make it one solid blue color. I kind of wanted to make it like a older, vintage looking farmhouse style kind of a dresser. I don't know anything about interior design or anything, so if this looks good to you, let me know in the comments down below and drop the video a big like. So here's the end result. Let me know what you think down below. While you take a look at these video clips and a couple other pictures I'll show here on screen, let me talk about what I have into it. I got the Kilz primer at Home Depot for $10, and then I got that can of Beyond Paint for 40 bucks from Home Depot, and I've been using that a little bit here and there on a ton of other different projects, as well as the primer. For this particular dresser, I did go a little over the edge with the new hardware. I felt that this hardware that I got from Lowe's would really complement the piece very nicely. I ended up spending $5 a unit, and with 5 drawers and 2 handles per drawer, that ended up to $50 for the hardware, which, yes, it is a lot, and I did go overboard, but hopefully I will get some money back. But as of now, it unfortunately has been a week listed on Facebook Marketplace, and I have it listed for $200, and I have had a little bit of interest, but nobody is wanting to take it home just yet. And I'm going to continue to be patient, and we'll have to drop the price here soon in probably another week if I don't get any more interest. But despite the little interest that I have gotten, it is also Christmas time. I listed it on December 8th, and today is December 15th, so the Christmas season could be a little bit to blame for, because, you know, who wants to wake up on Christmas morning and see a dresser or, you know, a piece of furniture by the tree? Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe today and give the video a like if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video, and take care.